I'm going to show you how easy it is to add coolant to your Mercedes. This is a 2015 C250 coupe, but when you open the hood, it's on the left hand side, but make sure you get the right coolant. So this is the European coolant. You see right here, it says Mercedes-Benz pre-2014. Then you have some more coolant, says Mercedes-Benz 2014 and up. My daughter got a 2015, so I'll be using this particular coolant right here for Mercedes-Benz 2014 and up, since she got a 2015. But the first thing you want to do is, once you open the hood, your coolant is on the left hand side, and do not open this up until the engine is cool. Make sure your engine is cool. If you look right here, it'll tell you right here, it says do not open when hot. So do not open this thing when hot. Even if it's cooled down, still take precautions. Get you a towel or something and open this thing really slowly, because it could be still hot and you can hear pressure release. So once the pressure has been released, I go ahead and take this cap off, and I'm gonna bring the camera in closer so you can see the levels right here. I'm gonna zoom in, and you see it, I'm a little bit low there. So I'm gonna add some coolant to it. And if you don't have a funnel, you just have to pour it slowly and it'll go in. So more than likely, you probably don't have a funnel on hand, or you can get some kind of cup or something and pour it in. But I'm gonna just pour this in slowly. And like I said, make sure you got the right coolant. You probably could use the other coolant, but messing with these Mercedes and stuff, go ahead and use the brand that they recommend. So once you get it to the level you want, and you don't want to fill it until it overflows, just get enough in there. And once you got it filled up, just put your cap on. And make sure your cap is closed all the way. So you want to go clockwise to make sure this cap is on all the way. You don't want to put it on halfway. You want to turn it until it stops turning. Just like that. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.